No, that's good. That's good. Welcome. This is our first video clip from the Azores, and this is exactly 2 weeks after we landed. We landed on the 13th in the morning, and we got to the apartment at 7 in the morning. It has been interesting first 2 weeks getting adjusted to our new lifestyle. Definitely a little bit different from what we're used to, but slowly we're getting there. I'm fine. Rita, she's a little bit more cautious, I would say. That's correct, Rita?
Mm-hmm.
Just say yes or no.
Oh, you're interviewing me.
Yes, sir. Yes or no. It is. It is different, but you know, it's good. It's a nice way of trying to, you know, start our new life away from the hustle and the bustle. We don't get into any specifics about that, but we have a lovely background here, and this is Riviera Grande. That's where we live, the city behind, and this is one of our viewpoints from where we live up here. We're always looking out the windows, down looking at the ocean.
Looking at it.
I think it's recording. Yeah, I just, and I can't get over, you know, looking at, from up here, looking down there. This is more or less what we're looking at every day. And another thing, no, that looking down there also, this is one of the things, Azores, a lot of cows and cows and cows. And I read that about 30%, 35% of all Portugal's milk comes from the Azores. And when driving around, it's easy to find out, you know, there might be something about that, because there's always cows and cows. And green, it is so green. And this is almost September 1st, and the weather here is still totally amazing. And I think today we're gonna get up close to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. But now this is Azores, everything is in Celsius, so let's say about 25 degrees Celsius. Look at those waves down there. They are busy. Yep, the ocean is a little bit alive, you can say. I know the Hurricane Erin, I think it changed to, what did it change to? Today I was down also, took some videos. I walked, I did my 6,000 steps yesterday. And it's a lovely place to walk because of, you know, you see, and you know, you talk to people, you stop for a beer and maybe a cappuccino, whatever. No, cappuccino. What am I talking about? Cappuccino? No, that's not cappuccino. And I guess that's a real farm we have down there. A working farm. The cows are over there. Rita say yes. As I'm saying, there's cows all over. And this is some of, you know, there's Rita. Say hi, Rita.
Hi.
How are you doing, Rita?
I'm a little cold now.
This is to all our friends and family. We're doing this just to let you know about the first 2 weeks. You know, our experience. We made it. Yeah, I'm just enjoying getting out. If you rent the car for a couple of days, and that's what we're going to do for the rest of the year, more or less. run the car 2 days a week, and then get out, do a little bit of filming, and just enjoy, and then do some heavy shopping. You know, that's how it is. This is what you see when you're out driving. Landscape, landscape, rugged landscape, and cows. Farm and cows. Hilltops, small villages. I was just thinking I have to get on a bus ride and take a video of the city, the village. He drove through that big bus. It was crazy. I need to make a movie shot about that. This is beautiful.